Hello everyone, I am Karthik Saini from ACS 4 Rahul Bhatta. It's a long time we have not been studying due to the outbreak of coronavirus, but now we are back with online classes. So I am teaching class 2nd mathematics. Let's get started with our first chapter, what is long, what is round. So like in first class we have studied about shapes. This chapter is based on shapes like what are things resembling circle. Okay. So we have things like which look like a circle. So these things are round and some things are long. So for example, first we take things which are round. Now tell me which things look like a circle. Can anyone help me in guessing anything which look like a circle?
Ball.
Which are round? Ball. Good. A ball is a round, yes.
Clock.
Clock, right. A clock. And I am having a clock, I think. I can show you. Where, what is it? Yes. See, this is a clock and it is round, right? Now, we can give examples more. Like, we eat something which is round. What is this?
Pizza. Burger.
Pizza. We eat orange. Orange is also a round thing. And give me more examples of round things. We have a lot of things around us which are round. See, around you. Which are these things? An apple. An apple is also a round thing. Anything else? Anything else? Anybody want? Yes, a ring is also round. So see, we have learned today round things. Now let us go and learn about round things. Long things. Long means lengthy things that can be measured in length. Tell me some examples which are long. Yes, anybody who knows anything long? Just think of what you use while cleaning your teeth.
Brush.
A toothbrush. A toothbrush is a long thing. Yes. Anything else? Think.
Scale.
A scale. Very good. A scale.
Duster.
Duster is also long. A pencil. And tell me one more example.
Stick.
A stick. A stick is also long. So now we have understood that what are long things and what are round things. Based on these things only, we are going to learn our next topic. See, the next topic is sliding things. Sliding things. See, those things which are having flat surface like this thing, it is flat. These will slide like the slide in the playground. It will go like this. So now tell me which things will slide. Yes, give examples. Think of, yes, good. The first thing that comes to mind, book. Book is having a flat surface, so it will slide. We have learned duster. Duster will also slide. Duster is here. It has a flat surface. It will slide. Similarly, think of something else which can be given. Yes, box. Box is a good example. Box will slide. Exactly. Mobile phone. Mobile phone has a flat surface. It will slide. Yes, a matchbox. Matchbox will also slide. So now onwards we have learned what are the long things, what are round things, and what are sliding things. So you can easily give more examples and I am turning to the next topic, which is rolling things. Rolling things. So, rolling things are those which will roll. They are not going to slide, they will roll, and these are mostly circular in nature, mostly circular. So, think of something which is circular and which will roll.
Ball.
Ball. Ball is the first example that comes to our mind. Yes. Anything else about ball के अलावा कोई और example?
Coin.
Coin. Yes. A coin will roll.
Coin will slide.
Coin will slide, but coin can also roll because it has a flat surface and it is circular in nature. So it will slide and it will roll both. Ball, coin, and we have like apple. Apple will roll. Think of some any other fruit which you eat, which is orange. Orange will roll. It will roll.
Watermelon.
Marble.
Watermelon can also roll. Marbles, yes, marble can also roll. So we have learned another thing which are rolling things. So rolling things are mainly of round things. So it will roll. Let's get back to our next topic, which is things which both roll and slide. Now we have learned long things, we have learned round things, we have learned sliding things, we have learned the rolling things. Now we have to tell things which are going to roll and slide both. They are circular in nature, and second thing, they are having flat surface also. Think of something which is in your pencil box, which will a little round and it is a little long. It will slide and it will roll.
Pencil.
Pencil, very good. Pencil will slide and it will roll also. Now think of any other example which will be, I just gave an example in rolling things also, which has a flat surface and it is round also.
Coin.
Coin. Coin is rolling as well as it will slide.
Bangles.
Any other example?
Bangles.
Bangles. Bangles will roll and they will slide also. What do you see in a car which is having a low surface? Yes, that is round.
Tire.
Tire. Yes, tire. It is a wheel. Wheel will be sliding and it will be rolling too. Let us see one more example so that we can finish this chapter. Give me one example. Yes. What will be the pencil coin? It is having a flat surface and it is having a round too. Yes.
Cellotape.
Yeah, a tape. Okay, it is good. But any other example? See, a water bottle. Let me show you a water bottle. And what's this? See, it is having round. It will slide like this, but it will roll when it is rolling. So, I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and we have here learned what is long things, what are round things, rolling, sliding, and what can roll and slide both. Thank you.